Madeline.
I'm Sylvia.
I'm Isabel.
I'm Ozzy.
I'm Karen.
I'm Maria.
I'm Lena, and I'm the house elder. And this is Glass, our cat.
Tonight we are doing our first annual Secret Santa. It's gonna be super cool. And Isabel's making a cake and I'm gonna make a better blueberry tart.
Okay. Here at Bagijnhof, we share a common room and a kitchen, and we each have our own rooms. So there are 10 rooms in our house, but some of the houses have 16.
So every Tuesday we have house dinners. Some houses have more house dinners, other don't really have house dinners. But so what we do is 2 people cook and then 2 other people will clean the dishes at the end, but we'll all sit together at the table and we'll talk about our favorite part of the day.
And we have a recipe book with all of our recipes from the house dinners that have happened over the semester, and we hope that it keeps growing so that by the time we graduate we just have a full book of really yummy recipes.